Hey guys, it's Peyton. Today we are reviewing some of my new slimes. And let's get started. So first we have the ocean slime. I'm not going to take it out because it's really sticky and you can tell how I was going to say called, I'm just going to say the cage, the blocks around it. I forgot what it's called. The container. You can tell it's like bent up and broken right here. But so I'm not gonna open that. But that's the ocean slime. Next we have chalkboard slime. This little piece right here was something that was over here. Chalkboard slime. Half of these I'm probably not gonna put on the table. And half of these you don't even need to see me playing with. Next up, we have the mint slime. This one I can put on the table. It's not bad. Perfect. Try to do a bubble, but I'm sorry, but I can't actually pop it like that because it's somewhat sticky, but I'm just gonna leave the bubble there. If you want to fast forward, you can. I can't exactly do that. It's very sticky. Oh, I have paper towels. Like, I'm gonna do it once. This a good one. Nope. See? Not bad, not good. Not that sticky, not that not sticky. Not that sticky, but sticky. Only when you do that. Or like put your foot on in it. See? Are you cooking the pizza? What is going on? Karate chop. That's about good. So yeah. If this video cuts off, I'm sorry. I'm gonna do a part 2 to it. But yeah. Not going down, so. Oh wow. It's not bad before it went down. Next one. I'm not gonna cut anything out because just in case, like, what if something happens? It's not 3 a.m. Like, it kind of 3 a.m. kind of happened, but it's not 3 a.m. So what if something happens? Oh no, thank you. So to let you guys know it's not fake. Thank you. There'll be some in the case, and then I'll just touch the case and then the container, and then There's no way to getting that. What should I be doing during this? Last but not least. Last. Oh gosh. Oh no. It was in the way. Turn that around. Okay. I don't think you guys really need to see my face. I need some music during this. It's not copyright either. Last but not least, the coolest name, the coolest slime so far out of all of these has to be ready? Mini Frappuccino. It's a mini Frappuccino. I want to put a Starbucks logo right here. It's like a mini Frappuccino. Okay. Good thing about these cases, the only thing bad about these cases are, you know how normally, like, when a slime sticks, say it's sticking, you can take the case and kind of bend it and get it back on the slime. For these, you just have to kind of like use your hands, which is, turn it down. Mom, turn it down. Keep copyright. Okay. You can't do that with these. You can't bend these. Can barely even, can't even put them past right there. So you have to kind of like use your hands to get it off. Mini Frappuccino. It started off being gold, but then it turned into, I'm only going to take out a bit. It took me a while to put it back, put it into the jar. Depends on how easy it comes out. But that's all I'm going to take out. I still have half of the jar, but in my defense, it is really sticky. Not like super duper, and it takes a while. I'll take a little bit more out. It takes a while to put it back into the case. Think of how hard it's going to be put back in. That's it. From here it looks kind of green, but it looks like a goldish brownish kind of color. And if you're wondering why there are white flakes into the chalkboard slime, it's because this was before the chalkboard slime, and I decided to put it in a jar. And whatever left was in this case. It was in this case, but whatever left, it got into the chalkboard, and I just colored it black, so it's not the same color. Can't be Frappuccino on a plate and Frappuccino in a cup. But okay. But I don't think this can do a really good bubble. I just now made it. Like an hour ago. No. Maybe I need a tad bit more. Maybe I just need more. Might as well just take off the flame. I don't think we need the rest of that. That could just stay at the bottom. Oh, I got on myself. Okay. Try to make a... Sorry, bad. Okay. I don't want it to stick a lot. Okay. I'm gonna try to make you guys mad. Okay. I'm gonna try to make the best. This one doesn't make really good bubbles. It's not just my bubble skills. I'm really good at making bubbles. Just the slime. But yeah. So hard putting this back into the jar. Okay. That's it for this time. If you like this video, give this a like, subscribe, turn on bell notifications, and I forgot to say this in the beginning, but if you're new here, I'm Peyton Vickers. You can tell by my name on YouTube. And okay, I am going to give a shout out to someone. And this person, I don't know if has been wanting a shout out. I'm pretty sure they have. They go to my school, and they are Sailor Kaufman. Yeah. Thank you for watching my videos. And yeah.